Wow, Nate, dog. Good day at the junkyard, huh?
Excellent day. Very successful.
Very successful. Hey man, shout out to my grandpa, man. See the G's though. Shout out to grandpa. He came through with the jack. What you say, grandpa?
I heard the tire is bad.
Yeah, I got new ones coming. But you could get them for, they usually go for like $600-700.
Yeah. What, for this one? Yeah.
Man. Busted a tire on the way to the junkyard though.
Nothing's cool.
See that? It's a masterpiece. I gotta order my adjustable thing.
Alright. What are we doing, Faith? What are you doing?
We gotta slam this thing on the floor.
Nice. Alright, so this is after the coilovers. It's not as low as I want it. Like, I don't know, it's not bad. Tucking. Cedric! Cedric! No, zoom in on Paul.
Look at this. It's a fucking stitch bunny ears.
Exactly.
Where did the tire come from?
Trunk.
So thirsty. This don't make no sense.
Relax.
I feel like I am drinking that all day. see this?
What, it's stuck on there?
No, look.
What? Oh, it's cracked?
Yeah.
More car parts.
I forgot.
We doing the catch can on Cedric's car. Got this and this, if you don't already know. For the VQs. It's a hose that I ain't gonna go put it under, but it's a hose that goes like this. Yeah.
I have the star bits.
I said Allen wrench. What the heck?
But we got Allen wrenches too, though.
But it's got a crack in it somewhere. Where is it? Right here. This $80 hose from AutoZone. What size is that? Just in case they want to know. 3/8. 3/8. I'm running one of these on my Beamer and it works great. So everybody runs these.
Black G. That boy got a mission moto.
Yeah, you know he fancy.
Damn.
Clean cut. Never mind.
What the heli? What the heliante? What the helion?
Just randomly decided to put chapstick on.
Shit. That shit sounds scary.
It's too late to be scared now, Cedric.
So what's in and out? In is what? In is this one, right? This is in, this is out. So yo, it's gonna be crisscrossing each other. That's kind of weird. You just singing
It's
it.
just catchy.
2 clamps. Shout out Harbor Freight.
I need a detail. For the real low profiles.
Alright, catch can installed. Got in and out.
Shit!
Are you going inside?
Hell yeah!
You want to move the cars?
Fuck that!
Dude. Oh.
Oh, that was him. Oh. That's my friend.
It's cold out here.
It's a bit nippy. Smoked your ass, didn't
We weren't able to get side by side.
Alright, this is what we just did. A little custom, you know what I'm saying?
He's just standing there, menacingly.
What we using? Or are we gonna give that up?
It's Gorilla Tape. Just the best stuff to use. I don't like 3M.
Yeah, that's it. The panels was coming off my Tahoe and I used that.
Yeah. This is the good stuff.
hold up to 15 pounds? That's crazy. They got 30 pounds too.
We should have got 30 pounds just because.
Shit expensive. Back in my stealing days, I would have got the biggest one.
It's so cold outside. We got heat the tape and everything. Like, this is crazy. Should we put it right here too?
Yeah. Shit, I'm doing that like shit.
Motherfucker.
What the fuck I was gonna say?
Motherfucker better on. Pretty clean.
I've been having this patch. I jumped a curb. Watch them curves. I jumped the curb and knocked this piece off. And my wrap came off with it.
So you had to rewrap
We
it.
rewrapped it. This been sitting in my car for months.
We're using
This all the
scrap.
wrap we got left.
Gotta do what you gotta do. Wait, I'm trying to see. I'm trying to make sure real quick. Bigger piece. You're gonna have to cut.
Got a lip, right? Yeah, we good.
Just a little bit. This is it. It looks so much better. You get it before?
I ain't get a picture. I got a video.
Oh yeah, video's good.
I'll send you all the picture too.
We gotta fix your button. His bracket broke. I don't know why it's so rusty. So we gonna make something to hold it in. Basically, his bracket broke. So
My button loose as hell. That shit slip off.
So we're gonna use this and it's just gonna go right over it. So it's gonna basically clamp it down. And then we're gonna use some screws to hold it in. It's easy. Ooh.
Speak.
Oh. All right, new trunk button. It's actually in there. Doesn't move. It's actually, that's good. I think it's a productive day. We got that done. We got this done. We got them done. And she got her hearts.
Might as well go show him.
Got these. Got these done. Got the little, those done. Got his done. His trunk button. Productive day. What's next? We did pretty much everything. Oh yeah, we didn't even talk about the clears.
It's gonna be in the video.
Yeah, but we barely talked about it. Well, these clears. So both of y'all got clears. 3 of y'all got clears. Dang, the sky look kind of nice.